In this video, we'll go over how to create the perfect direct-to-film application using one of Mimaki's newest printers, the TxF150-75. This DTF printer also comes with the option for a powder shaker, which applies the adhesive to the DTF print. This shaker is built with an integrated internal smoke purifier, intelligent powder spray system, two-sided heater, and so much more. For more information, please contact your local dealer. Using RasterLink 7, the first change I will make to the print file is color replace my white ink in the artwork. To do this, click the Color Replacement tab and locate the color you want to replace. Now that I've found the color, I will replace it with 100% white on all 4 channels and click Apply. Next, go to General Print and click Reverse so the image is right reading after application. Finally, create a white special plate using Valid Pixel and composite this plate on top. Double check your special color overprint under the Layers tab to make sure your layers are printing in the correct order. With your DTF film loaded on the back of the printer, feed it through under the pinch rollers. Once loaded, place your media guards on both sides and select Roll to read your media width. Now that your film is loaded into the printer, feed it forward to web it through the shaker. First, feed the film into the opening so the film drops into the powder shaker trough. Next, lift the film and feed it into the heater. Be sure to provide enough slack for the take-up. With the film loaded through the heater, feed it down through the fans and under the dancing bar, taping the end to the take-up core. Secure your core by tightening the screw and folding the latch down. Now that the film is webbed through the shaker, feed the film just enough so it drops into the shaker trough. When handling the powder adhesive, make sure you have your safety glasses, face mask, latex gloves, and a scooper. Take your powder and scoop a sizable amount into the powder tray. Be sure to put enough powder as the tray is weight censored for automatic use. For those concerned about film waste, you can load the film up through the shaker up to the heater and press the fan option on the display screen to activate the suction. This method will require you to manually operate the shaker until it is on the take-up. While the printer is printing, make sure there is a sufficient amount of slack on the front end so you can begin feeding the film using the link option. This will also dispense the powder onto the film until it reaches the desired amount. Once the film has reached the take-up, turn the link option off and the film will automatically advance forward as long as you have the shaker in auto. With the shaker fully loaded, you can print any full color image, automatically apply adhesive powder, bake the powder through the heater, and wind your print onto the take-up for future application. Once you've printed your film and cut out your images, take the printed film and apply it to your application. Here, we will heat press a tote bag at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. Apply a Teflon sheet to protect your heat press and textile. Using Mimaki's DTF ink, you can print using a hot peel or a cold peel film, providing options for your production needs. Even when pressed to a dark colored tote, you can see the colors still pop. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for updates on future videos, and we'll see you again next time.